Alright, super quick speedrun video to show you the sec utility it's just a utility to print a sequence of numbers on each line, which is very useful in a lot of situations. So the basic usage is you say sec and then a number, let's say 10, and it will just print the number from, by default it's 1 through 10 on each line. You can also specify if you have two arguments. Let's say I want to start at 3 instead of 1. It will, start at 3. And you can also have an increment. So if you have 3 arguments, the middle one will be the increment. So if I want to increment by 2, you see that it started at 3 and it incremented by 2. And those, well, they're printed as integer, but they can also be floating points. So if I want to increment by 2.2, I can do this, and if I want to go until 10.8, I can, although, well, we never reach it, but you see my point. Besides that, you can also specify a format, so it's the same format as printf. I have a video that I will link about that, but you can use %f, which is, well, not the default apparently, but that's the printf format, and then you have access to the same formatting. Maybe I can make it clearer by putting it in a string. You have access to the same formatting argument as C. So if you want to specify the width of the thing, let's say I want a width of 20, I can have this. If I want to, I think, yeah, it's a width of 20, but there is like 20 space on the right now. I think if I put a plus, it will add the sign to it. I assume you can also start with negative numbers. Yeah, you can start with negative numbers. And of course, you can specify the precision after the decimal dot. Otherwise, you can specify also, let's come back to like 1 to 10. You can specify the delimiter, or the separator, I guess. So by default, it's a new line, but you can also separate them by commas or whatever you'd like. You can also make them equal width. So it will, I mean, I guess it's the same as like having complex printf-like formats, but there is just a quick option to give them the same width. Like if I go to 100, there are three long. And yeah, that's about it. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly show this because it's very useful in scripts. And yeah, hope you learned something. And yeah, see you.